Hey guys, so I'm going to show you something I didn't realize until last night that I ended up getting in one of my packages. And it's backwards, I'm sorry, but it's tea tree. BB cream tea tree. It came in a 4-pack. It had the shampoo, a face wash, a lotion, and then the BB cream. I've never seen BB cream in tea tree. That's pretty cool. Anyhow, I went ahead, took a shower, washed my face with the tea tree stuff. I'm not a big tea tree person. Honestly, I hate the smell of tea tree. But it didn't hurt. It didn't burn. I mean, and it's good for you. So I think it's just because back in the day, we were using it for something, poison ivy or something. And we dropped a bottle of it on the floor. Like brand new, big, open size bottle. And we literally had to leave the house. It was so bad. It was such a strong smell. So that's probably part of the reason. But I'm just not big on BB. I mean, not BB, but tea tree. Of course, I already did the lotion, the face wash, the lotion, my spray, the primer, and I put just a rough coat of BB cream on. So I'm going to go back through and I don't like this one. And I didn't get my mirror out. So, and it smells like tea tree. I mean, it's not overwhelming by any means. I'm a little hoarse today, sorry. But, and this one is a light to medium, so it's probably a little bit lighter than what I normally wear. Normally I'm in a medium. It smells, I mean, it's not bad. It's not overwhelming. That's all that matters. And, I mean, if it works in the BB cream, I mean, the makeup, can't beat that. And I'm not sure, we don't have it on the website or the catalog, so I'm wondering if it's just not in the States yet. And they're just trying it out. Whoo, I just got a breeze. Little minty, kind of. But I wonder if they're just kind of trying it out here and giving out samples. Sometimes they'll do that. They'll start it over in Turkey. Storm in here. They'll start it over in Turkey and then they'll bring it over here afterwards. So there's a bunch of stuff that Turkey has that we don't have just yet. And I'm not going to do much again today. I just haven't really been into the full makeup thing, which is really odd because usually I'm one of those that even if I'm sitting around at home, you never know what's going to happen or who's going to drop in. So I usually have a full face on. Alright, I personally don't think it covered as well as some of the other ones. Yeah, it covers. Just not, I don't know, I'm still rosy here where I normally wouldn't be. Come on. Why do you always look at a one up here while I know, it's storming. Come on. Get down. Get down and get up like you normally do. Get down. You can't get up like that. You look retarded. Look. Oh, you've already gotten up. He can jump up just fine, but instead he insists on like laying on the bed and trying to get up. And there goes all my stuff. Would you just lay down? Again, my stuff's right here. Chopper. So you don't like the storm? Huh? You don't like your storm? Okay, so we'll just move you over a little bit farther. Alright, well that was that package. I think that was pretty much all of it. I'm gonna add a little powder just to dry it up. It does have a little dewy feeling, but it's wet and gloomy and dewy outside, so that might be part of it. I do have the windows open. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I do think it is a little too light for me though. But it was interesting to use. And we're going to do Zen. Because I'm remembering soon enough, and I'm going to put it behind my leg. And I'm going to put my lip conditioner on. This stuff is amazing. Like, and it smells like cotton candy. This stuff smells amazing. Like, I honestly just, I love it. Probably too much. Alright, now as I'm noticing is the wind blowing in the house, the tea tree, of course, it's got like a clean feeling. So, on this side of my face where the wind is blowing in, it stings a little bit. Not stings really, just I don't know how to explain it. Don't put the mirror up. I know, I'll give you some medicine in a minute. Calm down, quit shaking. He does not like storms at all. He's literally shaking the whole bed. So if my phone starts shaking, it's the dog. It's okay, baby. I'll get you some medicine. We're just fine. Oh, I know. It's okay. Okay, I'm gonna go in today and do the makeup, eyeshadow and stuff. I'm gonna use the cream again. I need to break out my other ones and open them up and lay them out so I know what's what beforehand. Maybe I'll try setting it up on the table next time so that the dog don't jump up here with me. So that was the, I shouldn't have closed that, Pink Glow. See, you're okay. Come in. You're alright. I forgot my brows. This is just the powder brow tint. That was a big thunder. It's okay, buddy. I'll get you some medicine. Calm down. I know, it's okay. Look at him. It's okay. You see his little tags shaking. It's okay. I'll get you some stuff. Calm down. Calm down. Lay your head down. He's such a big baby. Calm down. It's okay. I know, you don't have to whine. I know, it's storming. I'm well aware of it. He's so pitiful. I feel so bad for him. He's just sitting there whining. Wait, that's the Pink Glow. We're gonna do the brown sugar. I only have 2 in the cream so far, but I do like them. They're very good. Ooh, that was a lot. Oh, and my brush is hard. That was a whole lot. And of course, I don't have a lighter one just yet, so I'm going to use a dry powder for my top. That is hard. Apparently I didn't wipe it. Alright, I'm definitely going to make it quick because the dog is shaking like crazy. Although we both know he's going to be fine. He knows it too, he just doesn't like it. And then I'm going in with the same color that I normally use on top, the satin ribbon. I'm trying, bud. I am going to do my eyeliner a little different today, so y'all, I might get all up in your face for a minute. I don't know how people do their eyes without pulling them, the top ones. Maybe that's not straight. Because I can't do that. You know, I'm trying to get my line perfect, so it seems like it's taking me forever, but I don't like that, and I don't like that, but we'll try to fix it. You all right there, buddy? I don't know if I can fix. Probably smear it everywhere. No, it's not bad. Oh no, we're gonna leave it be because I don't want to mess it up and have it all over my face. Alright, I'm gonna do my mascara. Get my brush cleaner out. I've noticed the creams make my brushes a little harder. I don't really like that, but it's okay. God, it's been raining here all day long and just storming on and off. See what kind of lip color. Let's do this one. Yep, this one I always go for, my Mauve Pink Nude Essence. I got Sunset Breeze. I'll do Perfect Rose. And I will go in the descriptions and list everything I used, just so that you guys know. Now, if y'all didn't know, we also have a men's line. We have men's shampoo, men's soap, and let me tell you, it smells amazing. I really like the smell of it. And I just smeared. That's perfect rose. There you go. It's a little bit better. And then we're going to do what everybody rants and raves and craves. The Zen. Hopefully it's warm enough because it's not been in my leg long. I warm mine up because it's got the beeswax in it. So when you warm it up, it's just body heat. You can, if you want, you can stick it in a jar of water. For me, it's just easier since I sit down and do my makeup. I simply just stick it behind my bend of my leg, and it works just fine. Trying to give it a minute to warm up. And also, if y'all are interested, you can go to my website. It's www.sarahschulatz.com, and you can check out the products. If you're interested in some samples, I do have some samples that I could get to you if you're local. I'm not sure how much the tea tree stuff was that I used. The Zen, I know, is $8.90, but we also have a discount program if you guys want to get in it. It's only $19.99, and you get 50% off of everything online and the catalog. And then all they ask is that you purchase something every 6 months to stay active. I mean, actually, it's really spend $1 every 6 months, and it will keep your status active. And you will get the half off throughout the next 6 months. It's a great deal. You get foot products, fingernail polish. We got shampoos, we got keratin, we've got makeup, we've got eyeliner, mascara, dry eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow, age reverses. That's a line where basically it's what it says is reverses. We've got the eye cream that is amazing. We've got some heating and cooling pain reliever that everybody loves. I've had more requests for the heating than anything, and boy, that stuff, from what I've heard, it tingles big time. It comes and goes in waves though, from what I've heard. So, I still haven't done the VFX for you guys. I need to do that one. Maybe I can do it tomorrow. I just hate to waste it when it's in the afternoon and I take a shower or have to clean it or whatever. I don't think there's anything I haven't showed you, but I don't think there is. At least that I have. I do have a bunch of samples of stuff I can show you. I'm waiting on some stuff to come in, so. Now this one, this brush is so crazy. It completely bends. It's really weird. And the bristles, they got long bristles, and then we have little bitty short bristles for the bottom. It's crazy. There you go. There you can see both of them. Put my other ones up. I'll feel like getting them out. Gotta brush through them real quick. And I'm telling you, when you heat up your mascara, you would not believe how much better it glides on. Like when I first used mascara, it would clunk up on me, and I blinked at the wrong time and just got mascara below my eye. It'd clunk up on me, or it'd be really thick and my eyelashes would stick together, and I hate it. Ever since I got sick, I can't stand anything heavy on my eyes, since my eyes were injured in it too. But then I learned that you're supposed to warm it up. And a lot of people don't know that. And I'll be honest, I have no clue if I'm using the small or the big tip. But I know for people with shorter lashes, they love it. My favorite, you guys already know, is, if you've watched my videos, is the double lash. Alright, so that's the Zen. And you know, I still like to go over mine. Put that brush up. And just kind of brush through them a little bit. Because I always forget to curl them until I'm done. And I got it under my eye, so we're gonna fix it. That's really it. I mean, if you're just doing a quick look, I'm taking my time. It takes a whole lot longer than that for some reason. But it's my eyes. And that would be the mascara. And I can't look down to see how y'all can see. But these two bottom colors, this one and the brown, are liquid. The top is the powder. And I missed that spot right there. We'll have to go back and fix it. And then the Zen. So, if y'all are interested, just let me know. Oh, they have blush and stuff. Maybe I'll use a blush color tomorrow on my eyes. Swap it up a little bit. If y'all are interested, just let me know. You can find me on Facebook at Sarah and the and symbol Farmasi, and it's Farmasi. I always want to say CI, but it's SI. And you can go on there, you can search the website. If you see something you like, you can let me know. We can talk about prices and the discount plan and all that good stuff. Perfect timing for Christmas. If you're watching this video today, Veterans Day, we are having a one-day sale. It's a really good sale. It's buy one, get one free on certain things. I think it does say it. I looked at it earlier on the website. It'll flash when you log on to it and start telling you what it is. And it's only until midnight tonight. So if y'all are interested in it, you can log on and check it out too. I'm gonna go get him some medicine so he'll quit freaking out. And I will see you guys later. Y'all have a good night. Look at all that rain. Storming and nasty. Bye, guys.